Hi, I'm Christen Dominique, founder of Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm here with my best friend, Jade Marie.
Also known as JadeyWadey180, and I'm an esthetician and skincare expert.
So we're here to talk to you guys today about a super exciting collaboration. Actually, Dominique Cosmetics' first collaboration.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
So let's get straight into it.
First, we're gonna talk about the ultra-hydrating complexion primer.
With an infusion of hyaluronic acid and willow bark for a calming and brightening effect.
The unique texture transforms from a cream to water droplets on your complexion for a dewy glow.
It has a refreshing cucumber and green tea aroma, so you feel like you're in the spa. So our second product is the Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist, a lightweight mist that rehydrates and refreshes skin while restoring skin's natural pH balance.
Infused with salicylic 8, an extract from the salicornia plant, which has been shown to increase moisture levels by 6,000%.
The cucumber and green tea aroma is super soothing and therapeutic.
So you can use this duo alone for a youthful dew, or you can use it to prep your skin for makeup.
We can't wait for you guys to use our skin babies.
And you can find them on Sephora.com.